Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can log in or sign in into Showmax account online. So first up here, open up your internet browser. So here I'm going to open Google Chrome. And then what you're going to do is go to the search box or URL box and type right here Showmax website or showmax.com. And then you will find the link right here. So tap on that. And then an options pops up on your screen. As you can see, just have to tap on I agree or I accept button. But as you can see, Showmax is unavailable in this location. So unfortunately, your region is not part of the 44 nation or African market Showmax currently operates in. So if we're going to tap on learn more, so as you can see, these are all the 44 countries that are going to be available for this application. So in order to use this one, just have to go to Google Play Store and search for a VPN that you can use and just have to set up this VPN and change into the location that is available right over here. So choose any location so you can able to use this application. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.